Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, it's your girl Jessknotty, and today I'm going to be doing another wig video. This wig was sent to me by a store on Amazon and I wanted to review this here and show you guys how it looks on me. We're going to go ahead and get started on this wig. Hopefully you guys like it. If you guys have any questions, let me know about down below. But let's go ahead and get started. Comes with lace only at the top, so it's not around the entire front of the hair. There's 2 elastic bands, but you can also detach it on either side. It's real simple, you guys. Look, and you can put it back on. I'm gonna take it off. I normally don't use these, but they're on both ends. And if you do want to tighten your wig a little bit more, there's some more elastic pieces over here. And you can hook it onto the side. There's 3 combs, 1 in the back, and 1 on each side. This is 10 inches. I mean, it feels a little thin at the ends, but this is supposed to be human hair. The hair does feel good, so it feels nice and natural. But let's go ahead and try her on.
Maybe you'll go and turn me inside out. Maybe you'll turn around and leave a lover's note. Maybe you'll remember to put your fingers there. Pull out, don't fear, remember, baby, don't be scared. You'll find me in this planet's void. Stop on Maybe you'll go and turn me inside out. Maybe you'll turn around and leave a lover's note. Maybe you'll remember to put your fingers there. Pull out, don't fear, remember, baby, don't be scared. You'll find me in this planet's void. Don't come on and stroke me all night. Tell me what I've been waiting for. Love me so hard, I'll never go. Maybe you'll stop on by and kiss me on the mouth. Maybe you'll be abroad and I'll come down south. Maybe I'll scream a tune nobody can pronounce. Pull out, don't fear, baby, that's what it's about. You'll find me in this planet's void. Don't come on and stroke me all night. Tell me what I've been waiting for. Love me so hard, I'll never.
I could be your best friend, the hand you wanna hold, the one that looking into the.
Alright, you guys, so this is what it looks like now that I'm done. I struggled with her. I don't know if you guys really looked at the video, but for one, the cap was too small. The wig was too small. The wig was too small. Like, it barely fit my head. Like, if you guys look at this side, like, you can still see my cap. It didn't really give me that much coverage over here. So if the wind blows, all of this gonna show. And that's on both sides. I think it's worse on this side, but that's on both sides. This is as good as it gets. I tried to flat iron it and bump it, and it just kept looking like this after it got bumped. Like, still that little wavy look to it. It's not bad, but I do feel like this is a fail to me. Like, I'm not really in love with this. I keep looking in the mirror, not because I like it, but because I want to keep adjusting it. But this do feel like human hair, but it's not taking the heat how I want it to. I like the color. Most of my wigs are a 1B, and I think this is like a 2. So I like this color. It definitely mimics my hair color. I didn't like this wig. It just wasn't for me. The ends are pretty thin. I want so bad just to trim the ends, just to make it a even bob, because it has like a little slant to it. But the longer it gets, the thinner it gets at the end, and I'm just not liking it. And that's on both sides. Oh yeah, this side too. Like, I bumped this side, and every time I bump it, it turns out this way. So I just gave up. I gave up with that. And I'm sure, like, there was a little bit of lace just in this little area right here. So I'm sure I could have done a middle part. I couldn't find my hot comb, so I couldn't really do much with that. And y'all don't really see me lay my baby hair down with my wigs, but I went ahead and did it with this one. That's the least I could do. Let me know what you guys think about this style. Let me know what y'all think about this wig. Tell me what I could have done different, because I am still a rookie. I'm new to this. I'm still learning how to apply wigs, even though this is like my 10th wig. Probably more than that. But it's okay. It's just not the greatest. Let me know what you guys think about this wig. Tell me what I could have done differently. I'm going to show you guys the back. I don't even know what the back looked like. I don't know. I tried to bump it a little bit. Hopefully that helped. Yeah, see that little bump? I don't know. But let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what I could have, should have, would have, but didn't do. And help me get this together. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If you guys have any comments, any questions, leave it down below. Don't forget to subscribe on your way out. See you guys later.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Hey.